Hi guys! I just set up the community pantry for the wild birds here. It's on my back because I noticed they keep eating the cat food for the stray cat here, and I'm afraid for their lives. So I set up dish for them, and I hope the cat will not eat them. So I'm just recording it with my iPhone, and I need to hide now to the van so that let's see how many birds and what kind of birds will come and eat here in our pantry. So let's go and hide.
Earlier today.
Look at the birds. They are now asking food from me. They never go inside like that before. So another pet to feed. I will just get the rice and feed them. They are calling me now. They are cute though. So now guys, I need to cook 2 times rice in a day. 1 white rice for me and brown rice for the bird. My rice cooker is very small. Oh, now it's cooked for the bird. So this is the rice. Most of the time I cook rice, brown rice for them first rather than for myself. So silly, right? So now let's feed them with this, and let's go. This is my coffee break, or if I just want to work outside while watching the bird in front. So this is the closest I can be to them, so that's why I just put the live view there with the iPad Pro, and later on they will be there again when they don't hear me moving anymore. So let's sit here. Thank you guys for joining me today. I just show you what extra thing I do here in the van, living in the van, in the campsite. So I quite enjoy feeding animals. Before I just feed cat, and I noticed that the bird also coming here to eat their food. So that's why I created a a designated area or separate area for the birds, because I don't want them to kill each other, so, and I quite enjoy it, especially the landscaping bit of the feeding area of the birds, so I really love it. And then I'll show you their feeding station. So I just put a lot of pine cone and branches and flowers in there for them to make them comfortable. And then I just sit here with my coffee, and then I'm just watching them there. And then most of the time they are up here waiting for me to go inside, and then they will attack all the food. And yeah, thank you guys, and if you have comment, look at my back, there's 2 birds. So they quite used to me already. It's like every time they see me, they are already above me, above the trees here. It's like, mommy, where's my food? Something like that. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. See you again on my next video. Ciao.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe now.